But people are like, oh, we love our cottage, love it. Every time you go there, it's work. That's what I find. Because you got to fix something. You gotta, if people are coming over, you got to do stuff, right? And it's a lot of stuff,
like
right?
the thing. Okay, so the thing
It's
is
not a
that
vacation.
I think like the problem here is the terminology. Like we got to stop calling cottages cottages.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah,
okay? It's a house.
Yeah, it's a house. It's another house.
It's a house.
They got to maintain.
What difference does it make? Why do you have like it's a cottage? What, because it's on the water?
Yeah,
At the end of the
It's,
day, it's a house.
it's a house.
So anything that you would have to do with your house,
and then some.
you would have to do there.
Yeah, and then some.
Yeah.
If your cottage is not winterized, every time I go to open the cottage, something
There's an
bursts.
issue, like a broken wall from a rock.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
I saw that on your Instagram, and I'm like, holy crap! I called Paul right away. I'm like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, so the cottage is at the bottom of this cliff kind of thing, and there's granite rocks there. Yeah. So we go there, and we're like, okay, gonna clean up whatever. I see this massive boulder.
Yeah.
That must have fallen down from the top of the hill and smashed into the garage area at the bottom. That's pretty scary, man. If somebody was there,
I know it could have been a big issue.
Or it could have like piled right through that place, right? So that's kind of freaky.